Here you can see the paintings of the Mesolithic man. What you can see? What you can observe in these paintings? Hunting animals. Yeah, look at this. I said that they used to live in groups, bands, and they collectively cooperate each other for the hunting. So look at here. So what are these animals? These animals were the deers. And what were the weapons they have used? They have used the bow and arrow. And look at the red background. Red background and ochre colored. Okay. Then who are they? Who are they? Yeah? They are the bands. Yeah? Look at this. What is this? Elephant. Very good. Elephant with the white color. That limestone was used to get the white color. And this man has painted. Of course, we may ignore these kind of paintings. But the thing is, these paintings were painted in the 10,000 BC, my dear. Just calculate. 10,000 years plus 2,000 years. And they survived almost 12,000 years. That's why UNESCO recognized it as a World Heritage Site. The first paintings in India, Bhimbetka. You can go to any shop, any that painting company, get the colors, paint your walls. How many years they may survive? 10 years, 20 years, 100 years, 200 years. Can they survive up to 12,000 years? And that is the brilliance of these paintings. Once UPS asked this question, in general studies, mains, he asked us to compare the Mesolithic paintings with the modern day paintings. Mesolithic paintings with the modern day paintings. Now, look at this. Tell me what they are doing? Dancing. It means whenever they have the free time, they use it to dance. Okay, and some pictures you can see the individual dancers. In some of the paintings you can see the ballet dancers. Ballet dancers. Look at this. What this painting indicates? Yeah? Horse chasing. Is it not something like an army? Okay, they are going for the wars. They are going for the wars. Of course, it's a kind of tribal wars. It's a kind of tribal wars. Look at this. What they are doing? They are doing the group dances. Whenever they had a free time and they use it to dance. We don't know about the singing. Yeah. What you can see? Is it visible to you or not? Is it visible to you? Yeah, tell me. Look at this. What's happening here? Here a small animal. It is going to attack a person. And the other one, he is chasing the animal. Chasing the animal. And look at this. It is something like a dance. And look at this. What is this? Rhinoceros. They are going to hunt the rhinoceros. Okay. And look at these. Who are they? Huh? Who are they? Who are they? Huh? Mesolithic people? Old age people. Look at them. They were bent. They used to walk with the sticks. So it means they portrayed their life. Okay. 90% of their life, it was revolved around the hunting. That's why most of the paintings reflected the hunting scenes. And you can see the animals, you can see the plants, you can see their hunting activity, as well as some of the women, they are going for the gathering purpose. You can see dances. In some of the Mesolithic paintings, they portrayed even the sexual union, childbirth, child rearing, okay, preparing the food and fishing, and all these scenes were beautifully narrated. Beautifully narrated. Yeah? Dog. What is this? Look at this. It's a huge animal. Most of the paintings, they reflect human beings are attacking the animals. But whereas in this, look at this. This small person, he is being chased by the large animal. And it was also portrayed. If you closely observe the Mesolithic paintings, they were so specific, even giving the emotions of the animals. Okay, when you are going to hunt the animals, and that animal automatically it will get the fear. It will be scared. Even those emotions were also reflected in the paintings. Yeah. What is this animal? This animal was died or killed. If you kill a pregnant deer, how it is going to be reflected? Portrait. Look at this animal, and within the stomach, they have given a empty space, and it was represented that there was a fetus. There was a fetus. So it is the heights of their imagination. But it may not be as sophisticated as the present paintings. But undoubtedly, they had the aesthetic sense, they had imagination, and they try to portray their lifestyle. And probably, why they were painted, who is the painter, did they mention any of their names? We don't know. We didn't get the names of the painters. Even we could not understand the intention behind their paintings. Whether they are informing their lifestyle to the next generations, whether they are decorating their homes, we don't know. Why? Why we are not able to establish? Because of no written documents. Because they could not produce any script. That is what the problem in the prehistoric cultures. In prehistoric cultures and proto-historic cultures, we have no written documents. That's why I cannot say certainly, yes, this painting was done by so-and-so man. And this is the purpose of this painting. Only on the basis of the archaeological evidences, we are able to reconstruct their past. That's it.